things that I can say. I have brought from our mayor's conference numerous of projects and grants and stuff that I have given to him in order to research, and I haven't, gotten anything back. Where is the grant writer employee that we were about to hire? Where is the economic developer? I'm just about around the corner to do my mayor's State of the City address, and I don't have anybody to help me. It's amazing. It's the mayor of the city, and I don't have any resources. I don't even have, right now, yesterday, he went out of the blue to the office of my assistant, looking at at a letter. He's right. He's the manager. He can do whatever he wants. But that radical behavior against all the elected officials is not normal. We were elected by the people. And we have to work for the people. And that's my obsessiveness, and I have to say.